Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today's vlog is about Saudi National Day. As you know, Saudi National Day is celebrated on 23rd September 1932, and on this auspicious occasion of Saudi Arabia's Independence Day, I extend my warmest, greatest and heartfelt congratulations to the people of this great nation. As you celebrate your Independence Day, it is an opportunity to reflect on the progress and achievements that have been made. It is a day to honor the sacrifices of those who fought for your nation's freedom and to renew your commitment to building a prosperous and inclusive future for all Saudis. So we were in Center Point and shopping. They had a cute Saudi National Day their section where you can find even for babies clothes. They were so cute in all sizes, and we took also some for us. Here Eliza is trying on the cap. They were for newborns. There were also caps over here that you can see. It was so cute. Everything literally it was green and white made for. And here, the Festive Tower, when we were coming home, we saw this Festive Tower, and it was green to celebrate Saudi Independence Day, and it was so nice. On this day, let us celebrate not only the sovereignty of Saudi Arabia, but also the resilience, unity, and vision of its people. May the kingdom continue to flourish, and may the bonds of friendship between Saudi Arabia and global community grow stronger with each passing year. Happy Independence Day, Saudi Arabia.